This is Corsica, late August. We're going to pick an airplane up from here and fly it to Cannes. So we catch the bus to the airfield. This is the closest town to the airfield that the aircraft's at. This is the airport, and now the summer's over. Summer in Europe is July till August, and after August it starts calming down, so this airfield will hardly be used. I'm just going up to the area where the GA aircraft are. My aircraft's parked with the maintenance facility that's around the other side of this gate. Can you drive round airside so I can go straight into the hangar? Okay. Alright. It's just I haven't got the key. Oh, sorry, I've got his number. I'll jump out here. Alright, thanks very much. Yeah. Okay. All right, thanks.
Okay.
I'm just picking up the PA-28 after a repair. We had a regulator fail on the aircraft. So just doing all the pre-flight checks. Now just fueling up.
So we're texting the hotel.
Just completing all the power checks, and then we've got clearance to enter the runway.
Clifford takes off 20.
On this trip, we spend about an hour out at sea.
Quebec, can you take off to
Roger, course for the island. Then as soon as I reach Whiskey, I'll then proceed to November Whiskey.
Information Boeing 737 approaching Whiskey, 3000 feet descending on final zone track.
Looking for traffic, and I'll maintain my altitude at 1002.
And then straight into Cannes, which is on the coast. Today the Mistral's up a bit, so it's a bit of a crosswind landing, but nothing to get excited about.
Last wind 23014 knots on runway 17. And the runway 22, 260 knots, still 24. Which runway do you want?
I'll take 17 Foxtrot, up to that.
Let's start by Quebec, Roger. Make join left and runway 17, 1000 feet, report back in shoreline. Stop at Quebec, number 1, report final 17. So let's take Papa Quebec, runway 17 clear to land, wind 240 with 13 knots.
Aircraft's in Cannes now and ready for flying again.